And now please use the formula of ED by percentage method. Percentage change in quantity demanded, percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity means minus 20%, and percentage change in price means 25%. Minus minus will become positive. And now 20 divide means 20 divided by 4 at 5. Sorry, 20 divided, see, means both will be divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 at 4, and 25 divided by 5 at 5, 4 by 5. This will become means will be equal to 0.8. 0.8 means, see, 0.8. 0.8 is less than 1. So ED will be less than 1, means less elastic. Less elastic. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this. Please pause the video and note down this. See next, when price of a good falls from rupee 5 to rupee 3 per unit, its demand rises by 40%. So please write all information which are given in question. See, when price of a good falls from rupee 5 to rupee 3 per unit. So initial price means rupee 5 and new price means rupee 3. Now after this its demand. So first of all find delta P. P1 minus P means minus 2, and its demand rises by 40% means percentage change in quantity demanded means 40%. How much? 40%. See, now find percentage change in price with the help of this. Percentage change in price delta P divided by P into 100. Delta P means minus 2P means 5 into 100 means minus 40%. Minus 40%. See, please use the formula of ED by percentage method. Percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. Percentage change in price means minus percentage change in QD means 40%, and percentage change price means minus 40%. So this minus will be cancelled, and 40% will be cancelled, equal to 1. Means ED is equal to 1, means unitary elastic. So I hope first, see, in this question percentage change in quantity demanded is given, but percentage change in price is not given, and we in this method we have to find elasticity of demand by percentage method. So first of all we will find percentage change in price with the help of this information, and means percentage in price will be equal to minus 40%, and you will take, or you can say you will use, means this formula, and you will get your answer. So please pause the video and note down this. See, type 4, calculation of elasticity of demand when total expenditure is given. First of all we will discuss means the concept of total expenditure. See, what is the formula of total expenditure? Total expenditure, see, total expenditure is equal to price into quantity. This is the main formula of total expenditure. Suppose you want to find price. you want to find, or you can say you want to calculate price with the help of this formula. So means total expenditure divided by quantity. Total expenditure divided by quantity. I hope this is clear. See next. Suppose if you want to calculate quantity with the help of this formula. Now formula will be quantity is equal to total expenditure divided by price. See, suppose total expenditure according to this. Let's uh, take a numerical example to understand. See, means total expenditure is given and quantity is also given, but price is not given. See, please try to understand this formula. Suppose total expenditure is given and quantity is also given. Quantity is also given, and you have to find price. You have to find price because total expenditure is given here and quantity is also given. And you want to calculate price. So what is the formula of price? Price is equal to total expenditure divided by quantity. Suppose total expenditure is given and price is also given, but quantity is not given. So if you want to calculate quantity, then formula will be total expenditure divided by price. So I hope all of you have understood what is the formula of total expenditure, price into quantity, and what is the formula of price according to this total expenditure divided by quantity, and what is the formula of quantity according to this total expenditure divided by price. I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See, example number 1. Initial price rupee 5, and according to initial price rupee 5, total initial expenditure means initial, or we can say old total expenditure is equal to rupee 500, and new price means P1 rupee 6, and new total expenditure rupee 420. Suppose if you want to find initial quantity, then what is the formula of initial quantity? Initial total expenditure divided by initial price. Initial total expenditure divided by initial price. So 500 divided by 5 means 100 units. 100 units. See, suppose if you want to calculate Q1. Q1 means new quantity. So what is the formula of new quantity? New total expenditure divided by new price. New total expenditure divided by new price. So for 420 divided by 6 means 70 units. See, find here delta P is equal to P1 minus P. 6 minus 5 means 1. Find here delta Q means Q1 minus Q. 70 minus 100 means minus 30. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate this. And elasticity of demand, your calculation of elasticity of demand. See, you can use either percentage method or proportionate method. You can use either percentage method or proportionate method. But see, I am using here proportionate method. ED is equal to 1 and ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. Minus delta Q means minus 30. Delta P means 1 into P means 5. Q means 100. I hope all of you have understood. See, 100 divided by 5 and 20, and 0 to 0 will be cancelled, and minus this minus sign and this minus sign will become positive sign. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5, and 1.5 means ED greater than 1 means highly elastic. Highly elastic. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. Means how will you calculate elasticity of demand when total expenditure is given. Please pause the video and note down this.